Hey everybody, Isamu Sushi here, and this is probably just going to be a quick mail call. Um, Honestly, I don't know what it is. I thought it said Netherlands on the address, so I'm kind of wondering what the heck it is. Oh, no way. This can't be wait a minute. What the heck? Oh, no way. No way! Random Jim! Bro! I didn't even know this stuff's coming! Oh, sweet. Let's check out this poker chip. Ooh! Oh, that's slick. Oh, me likey. Oh, me likey. Oh, nice. Thank you so much, Random Jim. You're awesome. I got you. I'll get you back. I'll get you. I promise. I swear. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Everybody, check out Random Jim if you haven't already. Um, Thank you. I love this community. You guys all rock. Take care, guys. Have a nice night.